the vast tapestry of the animal kingdom, few things elicit as much joy and warmth as the sight of baby animals. From fuzzy fur balls to miniature marvels, these tiny dots capture our hearts with their innocence and endearing antics. In this video, we embark on a journey through the enchanting world of baby animals, exploring their unique features and heartwarming charm. Baby animals come in all shapes and sizes, each species boasting its own miniature marvels, from the playful frolics of baby elephants to the delicate wobbles of baby penguins. The diversity of the animals' kingdom's youngest member is a testament to the wonders of nature. Whether it's a tiny turtle hatchling or a fluffy baby owl, every species introduces us to a world of enchanting possibilities. Beyond their physical charm, baby animals often come with unique and endearing names. Take, for instance, a group of baby ferrets known as kids or a gathering of baby kangaroos. Affectionately termed Joy, these quirky monikers add an extra layer of fascination to the already captivating world of baby animals, making them even more delightful to observe. Observing the parenting styles of different animal species reveals a fascinating area of caregiving techniques. From the watchful eyes of a mother polar bear shielding her cubs to the playful antics of lion cubs honing their hunting skills, baby animals provide us with invaluable insights into the intricacies of parental care and survival strategies in the wild. These lessons not only deepen our appreciation for the animal kingdom but also offer a glimpse into the universality of love and protection. The irresistible charm of baby animal has not gone unnoticed in popular culture, from viral videos of clumsy baby pandas to heartwarming Instagram accounts dedicated to adorable baby animals. These tiny tots have become social media sensations, spreading joy and positivity across the digital landscape in a world filled with challenges. The innocence of baby animals serve as a beacon of light, reminding us to find joy in the simplest of things. While we revel in the cuteness of baby animals, it's essential to recognize the vital role they play in a conversation efforts. The valuability of these young beings underscores the fragility of the ecosystems and the urgent need for environmental protection. By raising awareness about the challenges faced by baby animals, we can contribute to the preservation of their habits and the overall well-being of our planet. In the enchanting realm of baby animals, each tiny creature tells a unique story of life, love, and the marvels of the natural world, from the diversity of species to the endearing names bestowed upon them. These little beings captivate our hearts and remind us of the beauty that surrounds us. As we celebrate their cuteness, let us also embrace the responsibility to protect and preserve the habitats that nurture the adorable inhabitants of our planet. So friends, I hope you like our today's video. It's all about very cute baby animals, and I hope you like cute baby animals videos. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends, family and relatives. Thank you.